In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button to your Wix website, a helpful feature that can enhance the user experience by allowing quick navigation to the top of any page. Whether your page is loaded with content or simply long, this button becomes a valuable navigation tool for visitors. Let's start by adding the visual element your visitors will click on. Imagine scrolling through a long page and suddenly spotting this helpful tool. That's what we're aiming to create. In the Wix Editor, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find the Add Elements option. This is represented by a plus icon. Once you've clicked that, you'll be presented with a variety of elements to choose from. Take your time to explore, but what you're looking for are buttons or decorative features like arrows. For this specific function, either a standard button or an upward pointing arrow will work wonderfully, as they naturally draw the user's eye upward. After selecting your preferred design, drag it directly onto your page. I suggest placing it subtly but accessibly in the bottom right corner. This positioning keeps the button tucked away, yet always available when needed. Now let's talk personalization. Using either the floating menu or the inspector panel, you can customize the text to say something inviting like back to top or adjust its design. Feel free to experiment with the button's color, size, and font until it perfectly complements your website's aesthetic while remaining visible and distinctive. Now that you've added and customized your button, it's time to make it functional. You want visitors to be able to click it and be seamlessly transported back to the top of the page. To do this, click on the button you've just placed. Notice the floating toolbar that appears. On it, you'll see a link icon that resembles a chain. Give that a click, and a link settings window will pop up. Here you want to select top bottom of page, or if you have specific sections or anchors set up, those options will also appear. Since we're focusing on returning to the top, obviously choose the top option. Once selected, go ahead and click done. And there you have it, a fully functional back to top button ready to improve navigation on your site. This button not only enhances user experience, but also encourages visitors to explore more sections of your site by eliminating the frustration of having to scroll endlessly. I hope you found this tutorial clear and comprehensive. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing with Wix!